So, which then means my 1,000-foot ET could go down even lower than what I was originally planning. So, I hope you guys understand that. So, hey guys, you know how I told you guys about the 1.52 multiplier? Well, it could even go lower than that. So, it could go from that to this, to this, to this, to this, or to this, or even to this, or even as low as this. But then I hope, yeah. So then I hope you guys understand. So please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload YouTube videos, upload YouTube shorts, and when I go live on YouTube. And keep an eye on the community tab till YouTube makes features where you get notified when I post in the community tab. Bye guys, peace, I'm out.